let's say your teacher asked you to record yourself making a video about something. I don't know what it is, but they want you to make a video. If you're on a Chromebook, at the bottom of your screen, bottom left corner is the launcher. So I'm going to click on the launcher, and I'm going to click this little arrow up so I can see all my apps and options, and I'm going to turn on the camera. So if I'm supposed to make a video, I'm going to switch this over to video, and so I'm going to start recording. Hey, Ms. Rodriguez, you asked us to multiply by 9, so I'm going to stand by 9 tables. So 0 times 9 is 0. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 4 is 45. Whoa, that's not right. But anyways, I'm done. So I hit stop recording. And now I want to see what I've got. So I'm going to go to add and create my work in Google Classroom. I'm going to add my work from Drive. And when I do that, it's not here. So I'm going to go to my Drive. And again, it's not here. So I have to find it. So where is that at? So one more time, go back to the launcher. And we're going to go to Files this time. So Launcher, Files. So what I wanted you to see was that file doesn't automatically save into your Google Drive. You have to go find the file. So right now, that file is in My Files, in Downloads, and it's that video file right there. I need to get that video file. I'm going to grab it and drag it and put it in my Google Drive. So I'm grabbing and dragging that video file and putting it in my Google Drive. Now watch what happens. Now when I go back to, Google Classroom, I add and create from the Drive. Now it's recent because it's the video I just did. I click on it, I click add, and I click turn it in. So what was the catch? The catch is I have to get that video from Downloads into Google Drive. How did I get that file again? I went to the launcher. I'm going to up here, Files, and again it was in Files, so I grabbed it and dragged it into Google Drive. From there, in Google Classroom, I added it from Drive. Hope this helps you.